Let me give you guys another power question right out of Easton University. Power questions. What's a good next step then? Right? Can't do it right now. What's a good next step then? Man, Mike wasn't able to attend the meeting today. What's a good next step then? Right? And oftentimes, not only is what's a good next step then critical, vital, and useful for us to do what? Set a next step, which is critical, vital, and useful for us in our jobs. But also, what's a good next step then is an ideal Easton University power question to save ourselves from ourselves. And this is what I mean by this. We are pessimistic. And a lot of times, we think we've lost the deal. A lot of times we think we're way off on this. Man, Mike can't attend the meeting. Oh, that sucks. I flew all the way out to Des Moines for this. When would be a good time to reschedule? March. Okay. Right? Bad news. Mike can't make the meeting. Understood. What's a good next step then? Let's just proceed without Mike. Fair enough. What's the most important thing we need to accomplish? Right? Guys, we put ourselves in holes that were never there because we're pessimistic by nature. Why are we pessimistic by our nature? Like a boxer, we get punched in the face for a living, right? And so you think anytime somebody's hand is cocked back that a right cross is coming your way. It might be, let me give you my money, right? And a great way for you to save yourself from shelling up when you see a fist cocked back is cool, calm, collected. What's a good next step then? Hey, we don't have budget for this for next year. Got it. What's a good next step then? We really need it. You know what? Let's just go ahead. Is there any way you can do month to month on the payments? And because if it's an annual contract, it has to go through that process. But if you could break this up into month to month payments, I can circumnavigate that all together, and I've got a little bit of a budget that would cover the 15 G's a month. Yeah, awesome. Let's make it happen. I'll put it together right now, have that to you in the next hour, and then I'm going to text you once I've sent it just so I make sure it's in your inbox. Can you get that signed and return it back to me today? Yeah, absolutely. I can turn it around right away. Perfect. Yeah, so it's 12:30 right now. I'll have it over to you 10 minutes, and then I'll text you once I send it, circle back to you at 2 if I haven't seen it back before then. Fair enough? Yeah, that works. Awesome. Congratulations. You guys made a great decision. Welcome aboard. Right? What's a good next step then? Anytime you get bad news, what's a good next step then?